Bitcoin price prediction. BTC above $46,000 amid ETF green light and Kiyosaki's $150,000 forecast. Disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size vol WP image 150,070 SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 JPG alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 720 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 169 JPG 300 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 21024x576 JPG 1924 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 26768x432 JPG 768 https://cryptonews. com/WP content /upload /2024/1/1,704,952,659 250x84 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1,208x100 1,208x Bitcoin price has surged above $46,000 as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approved 11 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs on Wednesday. The approval came after a U.S. congressional panel requested an SEC briefing on a fake tweet that claimed the regulator had authorized a Bitcoin futures ETF. The tweet, which was later deleted, caused a brief spike in Bitcoin's price on Tuesday. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which track the actual price of the digital asset, is seen as a major boost for the crypto industry as it could attract more institutional and retail investors to the market. One of the beneficiaries of the SEC's decision is Grayscale, the largest digital asset manager, which converted its flagship Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC into a spot Bitcoin ETF. According to Mom of Crypto, a popular crypto analyst, Grayscale and a favorable court ruling were the key factors that enabled the SEC to approve the Bitcoin ETF. Meanwhile, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has expressed his bullish outlook on Bitcoin, predicting that it will reach $150,000 soon. He also said that he will be buying more Bitcoin, as he believes it is a better hedge against inflation than gold or silver. Congress asks SEC to explain fake Bitcoin ETF tweet on Wednesday. The GOP-controlled House Financial Services Committee wrote to the SEC asking for an explanation on a hoax tweet from the SEC's official X account the previous day. The fraudulent tweet on the SEC's X social media account, which purported to approve Bitcoin ETFs, had an instant effect on the price of the cryptocurrency. The false information caused the price of Bitcoin to soar. In response to what they saw as a good development, traders moved, hoping that the SEC would approve Bitcoin ETFs. But once the SEC corrected the false information and recanted the post, the mood of the market changed. Unrelated to the phony post, the SEC's ultimate approval of the first Bitcoin ETFs to be listed in the United States had an impact on the price dynamics of the cryptocurrency. Overall, the episode shows how regulatory changes and false information may have a big instantaneous influence on Bitcoin prices, how Grayscale and court ruling enabled Bitcoin ETFs. CryptoMom SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, or CryptoMom, disclosed that the Grayscale appeal from the previous year had an impact on the acceptance of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs. Pierce noted that in order to obtain clearance for spot Bitcoin ETFs, issuers had been working for more than 10 years. In October 2023, the SEC reconsidered its position when the U.S. District Court of Appeals reversed the SEC's decision to deny Grayscale Investment's spot Bitcoin ETF application. Although the SEC recently approved 11 spot Bitcoin ETF applications, Pierce chastised the agency for a 10-year delay, saying it ought to have acknowledged its prior mistakes. The approval of the ETF has a favorable effect on the price of Bitcoin since it improves institutional access and credibility, which may lead to a rise in demand for the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin ETFs and Kiyosaki's Bitcoin price $150,000 forecast. Author of Rich Dad Poor Dad Robert Kiyosaki believes that Bitcoin will soon hit $150,000 as a result of the U.S. SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Kiyosaki, who is happy with his early Bitcoin investments, says he wants to buy more BTC and emphasizes that he prefers Bitcoin, gold, and silver to fiat money. He believes that while silver may decline as investors sell to offset growing inflation, gold would skyrocket as a result of central banks' ongoing purchases. Kiyosaki, who is well known for calling fiat money fake money, has continuously supported alternative investments. His optimistic forecasts for Bitcoin range from $135,000 in the near future to $1 million in the event of a world economic disaster. This news supports the general market confidence that followed the SEC's clearance and adds to the favorable sentiment around Bitcoin. Bitcoin price prediction. According to the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is trading within an upward channel, indicating a bullish trend. The pivot point, which acts as a support and resistance level, is at $46,786. The immediate resistance is at $47,743, followed by $48,584 and $49,508. The immediate support is at $45,026, followed by $44,007 and $42,589. The Relative Strength Index RSI, which measures the momentum of price movements, is at 56, indicating a balanced market. The RSI is above 50, suggesting a slight bullish sentiment, but below 70, which would signal overbought conditions. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA, which smooths out price fluctuations, is at $45,014, slightly below the current price. This indicates that Bitcoin is in a short-term bullish trend, as it is trading above the 50 EMA. Bitcoin price chart. The chart also shows a double top pattern, which is a bearish reversal signal at the $47,750 level. This means that Bitcoin has failed to break above this level twice and may face a downward pressure. However, the pattern is not confirmed until Bitcoin breaks below the neckline, which is the support level connecting the two lows of the pattern, at around $44,500. The overall trend for Bitcoin is bullish, as it is trading above the pivot point in the 50 EMA and within the upward channel. The short-term forecast is that Bitcoin may test the resistance at $47,743 in the coming days and possibly break above it if the market sentiment remains positive. However, if Bitcoin falls below the support at $45,026, it may trigger a bearish reversal and head towards the neckline of the double top pattern at $44,500. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img